crafty people, and today I'm back just to show you another one of my projects. This is my latest resin geode piece that I've completed. Again, there's no video or tutorial or anything for this one. This was just one of the projects that I've been working on here in my own time, and it's finished now and it's so gorgeous that I wanted to share it with you. Look at the detail and dimension in that. It's absolutely wonderful, and I love the colours. I think it looks really electric. This blue is fantastic. I did something a little bit different this time. I have in the center here a couple of different pieces of texture. I've got some acrylic and some glass, and I've also tried a new method of bleeding two resins together, which I think you can see here, which I think looks really cool. Of course, lots and lots of glitter and dimension throughout the whole piece, and then also something a little bit different on the sides. I've done a sandy texture on the sides just here in black, and I think that really sets it off nicely. So obviously you can have it in any direction that you like, whichever direction you do. It's got lots of glitter and shine, lots of metallics in here, and lots of texture and dimension. This color here, this blue glitter, this let me see, bring it up towards the camera. This blue glitter here, oh, I don't know, will the camera pick up how glittery it is? I just love this color. Anyway, this is another piece that I've completed that I thought you might like to have a look at. I do have a website for the resin geodes. It's resingeodes.wordpress.com. So hop on over there if you'd like to see more of my geode art pieces. I've also got some videos from other geode artists and resin artists on there that you might be interested in and might find inspiring. And also there's a place on there where you can sign up if you would be interested in learning how to make the resin geodes. I'm still working on a course, and hopefully I shall get some more progress on that soon. I keep getting sidetracked by making all these other projects, but I'm still working on this class. So if you'd be interested in finding out more, then you can add your name and your email address into the box on the Resin Geodes website, and I'll let you know a bit more about the course when it becomes available. Thanks very much for looking at my project, and hope to see you here on the channel again very soon.